Hello everyone. In this session we will see example of purchase journal and purchase return journal. So let's begin. Hello everyone. So in this session we will see how to prepare a purchase daybook and purchase returns daybook. And we will also prepare a purchase account and purchase return account and post the entry from purchase daybook and purchase return book to purchase account and purchase returns account respectively at the end of the month. Let's see this example. Consider the following details in the books of 10 Stars Limited traders in chocolate for purchase book and purchase return book for the month of Jan 2019. So they are traders in chocolate. We have to prepare a purchase book and purchase return book for the month of Jan 2019. So we are given date, particulars. So we are given date and transaction details. Then here we have prepared the format of purchase book for the month of Jan 2019. We have date, name of supplier, invoice number, amount. Similarly, purchase return book for the month of Jan 2019. Date, name of supplier, invoice number and amount. Now, let's see all the transactions one by one. 2nd Jan 2019. 50 cartons of Misty chocolates amounting to Rs 1,25,000 purchased from Milky Traders on credit basis. Invoice number MT/1819/3459. Trade discount of 5% is availed. So we have purchased some 50 cartons of Misty chocolates on credit basis. So in purchase daybook only credit purchases are recorded. So let us record this in our purchase book. So purchase book date is 2nd Jan 2019. Name of the suppliers is Milky Traders. Invoice number is MT 18193459 and amount. Now amount has to be net amount in the invoice. What is the total amount in the invoice? 1,25,000 and 5% trade discount is availed. So 1,25,000 minus 5% of 1,25,000. So that is 1,18,750. Next, 5th Jan 2019, 100 cartons of Star chocolate amounting to Rs 3,25,000 purchased from Silky Limited on credit basis. Invoice number is SL 1819-56897. Now again there is a credit purchases from Silky Limited. Let's record it in the purchase book. 5th Jan 2019, name of suppliers is Silky Limited. Invoice number is SL 1819-56897 and the amount is 3,25,000. Now there is no trade discount here, so net amount will be same, 3,25,000. Next, 12th Jan 2019, 25 cartons of candy chocolates amounting to Rs 25,000 purchased from Candy Limited on cash basis. Invoice number C-154457423. Now, this is purchased from Candy Limited on cash basis. Now, in purchase journal book, we record only credit purchases. So, this will be recorded in the cash book. What will be the entry for here? Entry for this is purchases account debit to cash account 25,000. So it won't be recorded in your purchase book since it's a cash purchase. Next, 20th Jan 2019, 80 cartons of Misty chocolates amounting to rupees 2 lakh purchased from Milky Traders on credit basis. Invoice number MT/1819/4895. Trade discount of 10% is availed. So 80 cartons of Misty chocolates are purchased from Milky Traders on credit basis. Let's record this transaction in purchase book. 20th Jan 2019, Milky Traders, invoice number is MT/1819/4895 and amount is 2 lakhs. Now 2 lakhs is a total amount and trade discount is 10% of 2 lakh. So 2 lakhs minus 10% of 2 lakh, that comes to 1,80,000. Next, 25th Jan 2019, 2 cartons worth rupees 2,000, invoice number C154457 dated 12th Jan 2019, returned to Candy Limited. Now there was some purchase from Candy Limited. What is the invoice number? 154457. Let's trace it. So this is the invoice number 154457,423. 25th Jan 2019, 2 cartons worth rupees 2,000, invoice number C154457,423 dated 12th Jan 2019, returned to Candy Limited. So let's see this. 12th Jan 2019, 25 cartons of candy chocolates amounting to 25,000 purchased from Candy Limited on cash basis, and this is the invoice number. So it was a cash purchase, and out of 25 cartons, 2 cartons were returned to Candy Limited. Now purchase returns book will include all the purchase return entry irrespective of your original purchase was on cash basis or credit basis. Now here the original purchase was on the cash basis, so it must be recorded in your cash book, but this return we have to record it in purchase return book. So let's go to the purchase return book. 25th Jan 2019, name of supplier is Candy Limited, invoice number is C154457,423 and amount is 2,000. Now if you see the initial purchase, there was no trade discount, so 2,000. Next, 20th Jan 2019, 50 cartons of Misty chocolates, invoice number MT18193459 dated 2nd Jan 2019, returned. So 2nd Jan 2019, 50 cartons of Misty chocolates amounting to rupees 1,25,000 purchased from Milky Traders on credit basis. This is the invoice number. So this invoice number matches with our last transaction and trade discount of 5% is availed. So in this case, there was a credit purchase on 2nd Jan 2019 and it is recorded here in the purchase book. 2nd Jan 2019, Milky Traders. We have invoice number and amount here. Now out of this, all the 50 cartons are returned on 20th Jan 2019. So let's record it in the purchase returns book. 20th Jan 2019, Milky Traders, invoice number is MT/1819/3459 and what is the amount? The amount was 1,25,000 minus 5% trade discount, that comes to 1,18,750. So we have recorded all the transactions in your purchase book and purchase return book. Now let's take a total of purchase book for the month of Jan. 6,23,750. Now let's take a total of purchase return for the month of Jan. 1,20,750. Now This total of purchase book for the month of Jan and total of purchase return book for the month of Jan will be posted in your purchase account and purchase return account. And this individual transactions like 1,18,750, 3,25,000, 1,80,000, they will be posted in the individual suppliers account on day-to-day basis. Similarly, for purchase returns also, this 2,000, 1,18,000 will be posted in the suppliers account on day-to-day basis. Now let's post this in the purchase account, 6,23,750. So this is a purchase account. So what will be the entry for the purchases? Entry for the purchases will be purchase account debit to suppliers account. So on 31st Jan 2019, on debit side of purchase account we will write to sundry creditors. Sundry creditors means various miscellaneous creditors, and details are as per purchase journal or purchase book. Then voucher number, let's give the voucher number as JV1 and the total amount 6,23,750. Next, purchase returns book 1,20,750. Let's post this entry for the month of Jan in purchase returns account. Entry for purchase returns will be your sundry creditors account debit to purchase return account. So on 31st Jan 2019, by sundry creditors, details as per purchase return journal or purchase return book. Voucher number, let's give it as JV2 and amount is 1,20,750. So this is how we prepare a purchase journal book and purchase return day book, and then we post the periodical totals in the purchases account and purchases return account as per the policy of the company. But the individual creditors account are posted on a daily basis.